We made a tutorial for the Epoxy Grout Residue Remover by demonstrating it on a set of tiles with a dried epoxy grout haze. Using the Proma Pro Grout Extreme Epoxy Grout Kit, we grouted the tiles, then washed off the residue with warm, soapy water. We intentionally left a haze of the epoxy grout on the tile to dry for 24 hours. The following day, we used the FCS Solutions Epoxy Grout Residue Remover to remove the haze on this tile. To use the Epoxy Grout Residue Remover, first apply a thick coat to the tile with a paintbrush or sponge. The Epoxy Grout Residue Remover is specially formulated for the removal of epoxy paints on concrete surfaces, standard alkyd paint, and epoxy grout residue. It's safe for concrete and metal surfaces. Set a timer and let the remover work for 1 to 3 hours if you're using this remover within 24 to 48 hours after grouting. After letting the remover work for the recommended time, gently scrub the tile and rinse thoroughly with warm water or the FCS Solutions Heavy Duty Cleaner. For this tutorial, we're using the FCS Solutions Black Scrub Pad, Proma Standard Sponge, and warm water. The Epoxy Grout Residue Remover is made in Canada, easy to use, and does not erode grout lines. Looking at the before and after, you can see the Epoxy Grout Residue Remover cleared all the stubborn spots of epoxy residue from the tile. To shop Epoxy Grout Residue Remover, click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.